Good morning, dear children. How are you today? I hope you are doing really well with your family. This is the video number 2, week number 3. In this video, I'm going to explain in detail how to do this listening and speaking exercise, right? So let's get started. The first thing to do, you're going to open the English book on page number 10, please. Page number 10. Okay. Okay. In this page, we have two steps. At the beginning of page, you have step number 1 and step number 2. Okay. In the step number 1, you should listen carefully the sound, the audio in track number 3. You have to link in the track number 3. Okay. And the words, you're going to hear the words that are in the column that are on the left, the words, okay, you're going to hear. But for the first time, just listen. Don't do anything. Just listen. Okay? Once you listen, you are going to listen for the second time. In the second time, you should listen and you have to check the words that you are listening. For example, let me give you an example. If you listen, for example, the word mail, you have to check the word mail. Okay? And once you finish checking all of the words that you are listening, you are able to answer my question. And as always, do you remember what is the question? The question is, what is the missing word? You have to discover what is the missing words. Okay? In the second step, the step number 2, you have to listen the track number 4. Okay? You have to listen the track number 4. At this time, you are going to listen the words, but now in the context. Okay? You have to listen the words in the sentences. Okay? And you have to underline all of the words that you are listening. You have to underline. Okay? Now let's go on page 11. This is page 11, please. Okay? It's time to work with sounds, with the pronunciation. Okay? Let's work together. But first, let's read the activity, please. This is the activity. Listen to the word list again and practice your pronunciation. Then write the correct word in the blanks below. Okay, let's read the question number 1. This is the question number 1. Okay, which words rhyme with the word jail? Okay, jail. I understand. In some situation you already understand. In another situation you don't understand very well. But if you are not sure about the words, please listen again. As much as you listen, the audios, you can understand much better. Okay? Which words rhyme with the words jail? Okay, I wrote in a few seconds ago. The word that rhymes with the word jail is mail, nail, and snail. Okay. The second, which word rhymes with the word brain? With the word brain, chain, train, rhymes with the word brain. Okay, both of them read with the word brain. Okay. And now it's your turn. You're going to do the exercise number 3 and you're going to do the exercise number 4. Okay, don't worry if you don't understand for the first time. Okay, I'm sure you understand if you listen 2 or 3 times the audio. Okay, and finally, let's move on page number 12. Okay, on page number 12, you are going to write this word. Okay, here you're going to do this exercise. I'm sure you will do it very well because you know exactly how to do it. Okay, you know exactly how to do it. Okay, because we were working many times in class following this process. Okay, don't worry if you have any question, please just let me know, sending an email me, please. Okay, that's all for now. I'll talk to you next week. Bye bye, dear children. Bye bye.